They say change is good, but only when it's agile. When you need to change your machine's PLC or network, it has to be easy, it has to be fast, and it has to be cost effective. That's where the seamless connectivity range of electric automation from Festo comes in. Seamless connectivity from Festo starts at the workpiece. Here you see mechanical connectivity with these two handling systems, one with full low voltage servos, the other with our simplified motion series, controlled purely using I/O link. Your machines need remote I/O to connect your sensors and actuators like simplified motion series from Festo. And this is where the connectivity of Festo's electric automation range really comes in, because you don't want to change your remote I/O. You don't want to change your motors or your actuators or your simplified motion series every time you change your network or your PLC. The CMMT multi-protocol servo drive from Festo that you can see here allows connectivity to Ethernet IP, Profinet, EtherCAT and Modbus, all on the same drive. All we have to do is simply disconnect what we have now as Profinet, reconnect a different PLC, reload the parameters into the drive, and it works perfectly on a brand new network. This means you can keep the same servo drive irrespective of the type of PLC or type of network you're using on your machine. Let's give it a go. So now we've connected a completely different PLC with a different network. The servo drive recognizes this new network, changes its parameters for the new connectivity, and works exactly the same as it did before. That's one drive with one part number for all your network connectivity, reducing your stock, reducing your spares, and increasing the availability of the product. Contact your local application expert from Festo to find out more.